It's all down to the basics. Basic land nav, basic marksmanship, physical fitness, and aggression on the battlefield. It's the base infantry skills that are going to win the day.
That guy right there is not on combat.
The structure of the competition was built to mimic an exact combat scenario. We would be doing all of these things, one after the other. This would be one continuous operation, and I think it really helps guys understand how to prepare themselves better for everything that comes forward. Not just focusing on what's happening right now, like what's next? What is our squad going to next? What is our next objective? What after that? It just helps guys prepare and really get familiar with the planning process.
It's not how fast you go, it's who's the slowest. It doesn't really matter who your quickest guy is, it matters who your slowest guy is. Everyone's built differently, but everybody's got to get to the fight for you to be combat capable.
Every squad should be a family and a team thereof, and they should be able to operate together and with each other in mind at all points. It takes a team to bring everyone together and to get all these different things done at different times and just covering for each other's weaknesses with our strengths. That's what teamwork is.